Okay, welcome to Kay's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a fantastic recipe called chicken Fesenjān. And this dish my husband has been making for 20 years, but lately I've been making it, perfecting the skill. So we start with, there's 2 chicken breasts, there's walnuts that have been ground up and then roasted, oil, salt, pepper, onions minced cut up. We've got the pomegranate molasses. I'm making my own stock, vegetable stock from one stock cube with 1 cup of water. I've got 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Now the first step of the recipe is to roast your walnuts. So you'll have to get your walnuts, ground them up, and then put them in a pan and cook them until they're fragrant. And that will roast them a bit. Next we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan and let it heat up for a moment on a medium heat. And then we're going to add in the chopped up onions. I always put a lid on the onions to start with. It helps for the onions to sweat a bit and create some moisture. Medium heat. Okay, we're going to saute the onions for about 6 to 7 minutes until they start to get a bit more brown. Because I didn't put so much oil in it, I'm going to add a bit more water. This will just stop them sticking. So I just try to minimise my amount of oil that I use. Okay, it's starting to go brown. Even at this stage, it's starting to get a bit brown. In a separate pan, I've now put the chicken, and I'm going to I've placed some butter in the pan. I'm going to cook it slightly. This is slightly different to the recipe. It's just to save time. So the onions are still there, and I've just turned them off temporarily. So just wait till the chicken goes brown. I've now swapped over the chicken and putting it on the high heat, and I'm now putting the onions back on to cook slowly. Just to remind you, this is Kay's Kitchen, that you're watching another excellent recipe. Chicken Fesenjān is thought to be an Iranian dish. It's a bit like a stew, and it has those contrasting flavours of the pomegranate syrup and the walnuts. I apologise, it should be Fesenjān, from a place in Iran called Fesenjan. So not Fesenjān, which is Iraqis have adopted. The town of Fesenjān is about 300 to 400 kilometres west of Tehran. The chicken has been cooking for about 6 minutes. The water has now evaporated from it. It comes from the chicken. So I'm just trying to get it a bit browner now. I've put the chicken in quite a high heat. I've now added the chicken back in with the onions. I'm just going to let it cook for a bit longer. And now I'm going to add in the toasted walnuts. And also I'm going to add in the cinnamon and the turmeric. And stir it around. Okay, let it blend in together. Okay, once that's leave it for about 3 minutes. Let it cook together. I'm now going to add in the chicken stock, which is basically one. For a couple of minutes. It's actually there was one special ingredient that I originally left out, which is the tahini, which is ground up sesame. So that's a very important one. So I've balanced that with the pomegranate molasses. Okay, this dish has been cooking about 15 minutes now. We're now going to add the last three ingredients, which is the pomegranate molasses, tahini, and the sugar. Now we've added in these three ingredients, we're going to give it a good stir. Now I would add some more water into this recipe. It's getting a bit too thick. And that will be because of the sesame, because of the tahini. Mix it. I'm going to let this cook for a bit longer on a lower heat, let it simmer. I've just tasted the Fesenjān and I think it needs a bit of a balance, so I'm going to add a bit more pomegranate molasses to it. Just to give it a bit more tang. And stir it around. This is now our chicken Fesenjān. Please like, share and subscribe to Kay's Kitchen And please leave any comments below. If there's any other recipes that you're interested in, please let me know.